Are you tired of struggling with brain fog, feeling unfocused and mentally drained? Well, today's video is going to change that. I'm about to share 6 powerful habits that will help bring you some mental clarity and hopefully banish that brain fog and unlock your true cognitive potential. So welcome back to the channel where we explore ways to enhance our mental well-being and our motivations and our habits and our lifestyle. So today we're diving into habits that can help you achieve mental clarity and banish that pesky brain fog that often hampers our productivity and focus. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you'll be well on your way to a clear and sharp mind. So let's get started. Habit 1, mindful practice throughout the day. So mindful practice isn't just limited to the morning, and we've talked about morning routines before and ways to do meditation or being mindful, which is really great. But you can also cultivate it throughout the day with short mindful pauses. Whenever you're feeling like overwhelmed or you notice some brain fog creeping in, take a moment to pause, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Breathing is your gear stick to put your engine into the appropriate gear. Slow, stable breathing calms the heart, the blood pressure, and helps you to think clearly. So one of my favorite breathing techniques is the box breathing. And you can research this, there's lots about it, but basically there's a couple quick steps. You breathe out slowly, releasing all the air from your lungs. Breathe in through your nose as you slowly count to 4 in your head. Hold your breath for a count of 4, and then exhale for a count of 4. Hold your breath again for a count of 4, and repeat for 3 to 4 rounds. And this takes a bit of concentration, especially if you've never done it before, but it's amazing how it can help clear your mind. These mini breaks throughout the day really help you reset and regain mental clarity. So habit 2, exercise and the mental health benefits of that. So engaging in regular exercise not only benefits our physical health, but also has profound impact on our mental well-being. When we exercise, our bodies release endorphins, which are known as the feel-good hormones, among other things. And this helps reduce stress, boost mood, and improve cognitive function, leading to enhanced mental clarity, and so on. And that's actually what we're looking for, right? So find some movements that suit your preferences, whether it's a walk, yoga session, or hitting the gym, and reap the benefits for your mind as well as your body. So pro tip here, and if you follow my channel, you know that I'm bullish about matching the strategies that you use with your personality. And it's often why I give multiple strategies, so you can kind of pick and choose and figure out what works best for you. So for example, if you're a moderator and you want several small exercise sessions in a day, or maybe you're more of an all-in person and need one intense one, find what works with both your schedule and personality and then just do it. And some days you might prefer one over the other, and it just varies. Listen to your body, listen to your mind, and then engage. Habit number 3, mindful eating and the relationship with brain fog. So we know food is important. However, I often see people lose track of what they are consuming during times when they're tired, stressed, or just dealing with brain fog. During those times, people often tend to reach for caffeine and sugar, a pick-me-up. The problem is, most often those things are going to exacerbate what you're trying to get rid of, the brain fog. While there's a time and place for indulging in those treats and sugar, it's important to understand their impact on our mental clarity. Consuming a lot of processed and sugary foods can lead to fluctuations in our blood sugar levels, causing energy crashes and enhancing the brain fog. However, this doesn't mean you have to give up all indulgence. Moderation and timing is what you want to focus on. Incorporating whole, nutrient-rich foods into your diet and enjoy the occasional treats mindfully to maintain that mental clarity and energy when you need it the most. Okay, habit 4, digital breaks. So during the workday, it's crucial to take small digital breaks to give your mind a breather. When you're getting some movement, stepping away from your desk or doing the breathing that we discussed earlier, during those times, leave your phone behind. Instead, use the time to engage in activities that don't involve those screens and can include other things like taking a short walk, stretching, or having a conversation with a colleague. By disconnecting from the digital world intermittently, you'll find it easier to maintain focus and mental clarity throughout the day. Then, when at home, try to take longer digital detoxes to help you become less distracted and enhance your focus. Habit 5, brain dumping. So our minds can often be cluttered with random thoughts and to-do lists, making it difficult to concentrate on the task at hand, or even just get ourselves organized and moving forward. That's where the habit of brain dumping comes in. Set aside a few minutes each day, or maybe even multiple times a day, to write down all those thoughts that are running through your head, those ideas, those to-do tasks, and put them in like a journal or even a digital note. By putting them down, you can clear your mind and focus on what needs to be done in the present moment without worrying about forgetting important thoughts or tasks. Also, it literally can help create more space. Think of your brain like a file cabinet or a drawer. We can only get so much in. Make room by emptying out those extraneous thoughts, worries, frustrations, or things that aren't pertinent to right now or today. And then finally, habit 6, get some sleep. So lastly, let's not underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. When it comes to achieving quality sleep and waking up with mental clarity, creating the right sleep environment is essential. Then these are things like ensuring your bedroom is as cool as possible, because we know that when the temperature is warm or super cozy, it might feel like, oh, this feels great, but it actually makes it harder to have quality sleep. Obviously, you want your room and your bed to be as comfortable as possible and free from distractions. So for some people, it's helpful to experiment with white noise and find your favorite relaxing sounds. So some people like the sounds of fans, some people like the sound of oceans. There's a lot of free apps that you can get that you can use on your phone. Again, you're not looking at your phone, it's just running in that background. Or there's even special alarm clocks that have lots of different types of noises that can really help you drift off to sleep. Finding your sleep routine might take some trial and error, but with time and consistency, you'll discover what works best for you. And establishing a consistent sleep routine allows you to get enough restorative sleep. Now, I'm a realist. We all have different lifestyles and demands. This isn't about getting like a ton of hours of sleep at this point. That is definitely the ultimate goal. But more right now about getting quality sleep. Again, ideally we get both. However, starting with quality sleep is essential for cognitive function, memory consolidation, and mental clarity. So there you have it, 6 powerful habits to start incorporating into your daily routine for mental clarity and banishing brain fog. And remember, habits take time to form. So you don't need to take on too many at once. Be patient with yourself as you integrate a habit or 2 or 3 into your life. And then with consistency and dedication, you'll experience the transformative effects of a clear and focused mind. Whether it's starting your day with mindfulness ritual, engaging in regular exercise for the mental health benefits, practicing more mindful eating in moderation, taking digital breaks during the day, brain dumping to enhance that focus, or optimizing your sleep. Each habit contributes to mental clarity in its own unique way. Embrace these habits as tools to support your mental well-being. Find what resonates with you and customize them to truly fit your lifestyle. Remember, small changes can lead to significant results over time. So go ahead, start trying to implement some of these habits today. Figure out what works for you. Your journey towards mental clarity and banishing brain fog begins now. And don't forget to share your experiences and let me know how these habits are transforming your life. What's working? What hacks have you found? And as always, if there's something you want me to cover, please put it in the comments. I always respond and I add it to my list. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.